Acting Coach Scotland is delighted to offer you a fantastic opportunity to hire affordable, dynamic spaces, just a few minutes walk from the subway, at our wonderful studios at Harmony Row in Govan. We can offer rooms with long access times, meaning that you could pay as little as £8 per hour to hire a space with us. Our Adler studio is a bright, airy upstairs space, which is a favorite for some of Glasgow's well-known and popular theatre companies. Our green room is a cozy downstairs rehearsal studio and performance space with a simple lighting grid and desk should you need it. Our Meisner studio is similar in size to Adler and just across the hall upstairs. And of course, we have a wonderful little black box space, the Old Gym Theatre, which is downstairs next to the green room. With super fast Wi-Fi, a friendly, relaxed atmosphere, and tea and coffee facilities available, ACS is a great choice for you to meet, to rehearse, to perform, and to create.